Okay. Are you going? Apparently. This feels strange. Uncomfortable. Been a minute since I actually did a talkie-talkie. Because I've not been in a great headspace and health space. And I'm not today either. So I apologize if there are coughs or anything. I don't even know if the mic is working properly. So you go here. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, do I make noise? Okay, do I make noise? I seem to be. So hopefully that will work. You go away. Or just pause that. And I haven't done a start screen in a while either, because I was working on this new one, and then just because I've been doing the Terraria without a mic, and I just kind of wanted to get it going. And given my throat is already screaming at me, I'm probably not gonna be talking for too long tonight either. But I wanted to go over at least like a couple of things. So, as you can see, this is the new and updated version of my start screen. It's not done 100% yet, but it's a hell of a lot closer to it than last time I showed it off a couple months ago. It was supposed to have been fully done the end of November for the I've been streaming for a year, which is absurd thing, but that didn't happen because I'm slow as molasses and I enjoy procrastinating. Wow, I don't know if I enjoy it, it just kind of happens. But yeah, so I've got the wheel all nice and going and functional. And as you can see, today it is very, very, very interested in the train game, lazy train game. I got an email about it, and I was like, that seems kind of cute. It might be interesting, so I'll put it on the list. And like, as you can see, it was very heavily play the train game. This is supposed to be train also, but I can't type. So, but it's train. Do you even forklift? Terraria and Bioshock. Those were the four I was considering for tonight. But Train absolutely murdered everything else. Well, and Don't Stream Tonight, which technically won on the last stream, but I was like, I want to play some Terraria anyways. So I played some Terraria anyways. And like I said, this isn't done. The start is supposed to have like clips and be like starting soon and have better music than the two songs that have random speed adjustments that I'll need to compensate the volume for As it goes low when it goes slow. Seems like, at least. And away it is supposed to have various clips, and then you're supposed to have the stream is ending. Thank you for watching. This is the list for the wheel. And this button does nothing. But yeah, I like this a lot more than the original, even if it's not done. It's a lot cleaner and nicer looking, and I'm still not 100% like on the texture of this and everything. It's like 85 to 90% of the way there, I think. So I installed Lazy Train Game. Please do not be one of the devs that think people don't have ears. I'll be very sad if you are. And, you know, please actually launch and work. I swear I didn't launch Terraria. Going? It's having problems. Terraria music. Oh. See that? That's the sort of thing you don't do. Don't do this. You don't have your noises that loud at the start. Okay? It's not good. You don't do that. It's bad. Luckily, it's not quite breaking my ears, but it's not happening. Just there. Come on. There you go. Unfortunately, it's decided to be really fucking stupid, and center. I guess probably because I alt-tab. No, it's still fucking up. Alt-enter. Okay, can I get to the options? It's like the... No? No. There we go. You need to be down. Why does that drop it so dramatically? You definitely did not initialize your audio properly. And mine was still going. You can be closed now. You stop that. Okay. Oh, that's weird. I don't. I'm not doing this. To be clear. My hand and my other hand are off the keyboard and mouse. I clicked exit out of full screen, and now it's doing this. Like, I am so confused. What the fuck did you do? And like, I have no idea what engine they're using or anything. Why did you break, you piece of piece? Please stay functional. Please. Really appreciate it. Be really nice. Just, you know, work instead of being problems. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck the devs did. I don't know how you fuck up so badly that your game shrinks its own window. Like, it looks like it's like a old school Windows 98 sort of junky window with the like classic gray outline and everything, but it's just how like I don't know how you could do that unintentionally. Like, they're doing something fucky. That is so strange. I mean, it's interesting because I don't know how you do it intentionally, let alone as a fuck up from exiting full screen. But I am confused because that was the only button I hit. I've told it that is not full screen. Oh, it's freaking out. Hmm. Okay, so you're now there, but not there. Okay, if I do that again, like that, you're not working. Except you are. I'm so confused. Things are just being problems all around. It's just problematic times, apparently. There is you. And so, for some reason, it doesn't want to do like a proper like window to the edges. So I don't know if it's showing up on stream. It doesn't seem like it, but I've got, I don't know, a finger's more than a finger. Got some amount of like blank space on the edge. It's just showing me my OBS setup, which is strange. Supposedly getting 60 frames. Hopefully it's at least moderately performant. Sure. And you're gonna freak out. What are you doing now? Oh. Uh-oh. Can I, please? Please. So, devs, you definitely need to work on scaling and full screen and not full screen. It does not work. Like, even slightly. And I can, yeah. So currently I have a tiny square in the top left of my screen that I cannot see any of the game in. I can see the game in OBS, so I probably seem like a crazy person, but no, I have no actual vision of the game. So those are camera controls, elevation, Potato, your potato. Oh, yeah, of course that's not going to work because it right clicks on OBS, not on. I can't get to a track to right click it. I hate to break it to you. Can I do it? So I have like I don't even know what that would be. Like a rectangle, a 30th, not quite that much, but probably not far off of my screen where I can see the game and interact with it. Will you work now? Nope, still won't work. Okay. Press I now. Also, I'm aware this looks like shit. There's nothing I can do about it right now. Or can I? No. Escape does nothing. You are not permitted to do anything outside of what the tutorial allows you to do, which is very not good design. Yes, it's very not good design. What is it supposed to want? You? Is that not what it was supposed to want? There's one more track. Where? So that's a forest and that's a rock. I presume this gives you wood, that gives you rock. Track must be snapped to another track. Well then snap, motherfucker. Okay. I can't afford any of the things. This is a very disappointing start to your game. I hate to break it to you. Where's the rotator near potato? Alt. Control. Cannot rotate a potato in this menu, I think. And I can't access these things because then it's in OBS. Okay. Scroll does nothing, that does nothing. You have tracks there, you have tracks. Ow! There was a blank one underneath it. Okay. Remove the track next to the wood deposit. How do I do this? Click. I click. I click. Oh. Oh, so it disappeared and then that changed, but I can't fucking see it because it's tiny. Oh dear. Use. Okay. Mouse wheel or with arrow keys. Wood storage track, somewhere to store wood. One free wood storage rack. Find the tracks. The help screen to see key mappings. Okay. Can I have access to options? Okay. So basically, do not ever play this outside of full screen, except in full screen it gets sub 40 FPS when there's not much going on. It's bad. Okay. Well, that's a terrible menu. Okay. So, devs, don't put all this shit in a massive scroll menu. That makes it obnoxious to find anything. It's horrible design. Even ignoring your video issues. Does that work? Oh, it broke the track. So that's fun. Curved long. Rotate out with that. Then you pick up with right mouse. I wanted to use, not buy, but okay. And I need the U. Go like that. Okay. And I don't know what the energy is. Also, why is that an inventory? It's a shop, not an inventory. And tab apparently puts you into just watch the train mode, which is fine. Space pause. Oh. The energy is for upgrades. Okay. Fuck you. Objectives are by filling resource cellars. Spend them. Profile. So use my certain tracks. Track. 2 wood storages. So Alt and mouse wheel in, or mouse wheel press, I guess. Same function. Storage. Wait, can you not put it there? Ah, well that's stupid. Okay. Stone storage, stone collector. It's 30 wood. Ow. But you can't do that unless you max your capacity. It's expensive. That's also the wrong one. Oopsies. There's not an undo. Alright. That you could definitely wind up hard blocking yourself, couldn't you? Because if there weren't these tracks, I couldn't get more energy, and then I couldn't buy a stone collector. That's not great. That looks like something I shouldn't say. I assume it's some sort of stone or something. There isn't a really good zoom out sort of thing. Guess I should try and collect that, and then those. Eventually we'll need that. Oh, I guess technically you could get an extra storage, couldn't you? Never mind. Oh, because it can't, right? And it has to snap. So, get rid of you and you. Now go like that. And like that. So that was for 20 or something. Lifetime wood at 400. It's iron or something? Not the one I wanted. Oopsies. That's fine. Ah. And then what do you do with monies? This is also a terrible menu. Ah, makes sense. Very much so. One, maybe? Would make sense. Yeah, well, that's a helpful upgrade. Yeah, I see why this is a idler. But it's interesting. Storage. So since that one's before there, and that one's before there, it's not ever going to get filled up. Can I? Right, that's right click. Oh, well, that's rude. That's fine. I need to put that back down after. Okay. And based off of that, probably gonna want at least another couple of those. Also, put one of you down here. That's almost done, which is good. There's definitely some tearing, which isn't good. Screen tearing. Woo! Small station. What is our storage? Get dirt. Oh, that's the lumpy bit. That's over there is dirt, which requires iron. So iron storage, but there's not. An iron fabricator. Nor do I see one. That's a tree. You iron? You're saltpeter or something. Or stone, I guess. That looks weird. Yeah, that's stone. That's some very special water. Shift makes the camera go faster. There's a U, there's a U. I have not seen anything that looks like iron. So I guess I don't bother. How do I tell you to switch? It's not. Oh, it'll do one and then it'll do the other. I don't understand. I suppose you unlock. Oh, there's iron fabricator, but I don't know where to put it. Is it just it exists and somehow you get? Oh, okay. Okay. These storage units can be connected to each other as well instead of directly to the fabricator. Okay. Okay. But you don't. Oh. It's on top of you. 5 of you and an energy outputs an iron. Okay. But you don't have an output yet, and I don't care about giving you one necessarily. Not yet, at least. Again, this is a fucking terrible menu. I need bits. Do I actually have use no ever? Do I have to bring it back, or can it default? And I still get it. I assume that you go and collect the big spinny thing at least. It'd be really weird if you weren't. Supposed to go collect the big spinny thing. You unlocked ramp medium. And it dies. So I don't know what you're supposed to do to change that. Hopefully they'll explain it at some point. So I want you. Do I? Eventually, yeah. Probably don't need it right now, though. Well, no, those can stay over there. Here. Nope. Definitely don't like the how you interact. Diagonal. Straight. There you go. Managed. Good job. Does the train have iron on it yet? No. Pause. I want to look at these things. Stone. No concrete. So it doesn't give a fuck about the train. It is genuinely just connected to the thing. So hopefully that'll work. It's doing swirlies. Oh, yep. Ghost. Okay. Upgrades get expensive. Oh. And it's connected to 4 stone, so it'll eat from all 4 stones. Okay. Now I'm broke. Just like real life. Go back to here. I need to buy a ramp, probably. Oh, yeah. Wasn't it concrete before? Yeah. Oh, you're concrete. You're limestone. Okay. Okay. Oh, you have to have conked your crate in order to get a ramp. That's fine. So dirt is 30 iron. So it doesn't matter about up there. So then. Kirby. Blue, blue, blue. Dirt cellar needs a whole bunch more shit. Stone and concrete. Concrete wants stone and dirt, is what I was trying to say. Even though that's not how I wound up working. Unlocked canyon, living room, other places. Why are the fabricators all the way down here? I'll need you next, which I can't get because there's only the one he is. I don't need another fabricator, I just need storage. And use. Boop. Why are you? Oh, because I broke things. Why did that break? How long has that been like that? It's awkward. Alright. More music variety would certainly be nice. Right, because it hasn't been going to the sales. It's too long now. Video. It's 100 stored. Jeepers. Which one is the transport? Right. This is why I can't upgrade it, because it's expensive now. Give you a couple more. One more. So 20. Except then you need 40 stone. Go faster. Yeah, there's enough storage to get to 40 stone. Oh, bloopity. Bloopity. Now I has 2 trains. Oh, right, because the iron eats the energy. Right. I was like, why am I not getting energy from selling stuff? Oh, and yeah, it's filling up because I bought the thing with 20 iron. Right. I understand. I'm not completely branded. Only mostly. Okay, you're full by the time the other train gets back to you. Except then you're not. You're definitely not. So that needs an upgrade. Except the iron, kinda. murder rates all of those until it's no longer running. Where's the stone seller? You are all so expensive. How much? Right. So I want break things if you do that. Not what I wanted. So go there. 2, 3, 4. I think for now, like 50 stone for purchases is probably fine. Storage. Can't double them. Right, I forgot. And I presume this is not now connected to this. But I could also be wrong. Stone. Storage. Seller. Should probably be on that side. Oh. That does still connect, huh? You're empty. Do that. You can go on that side. Okay. And probably at least one more wood. Three, 4. With the upgrades, 4 is probably enough. Don't really want to murder all of my iron or all of my storage and energy and things. But storage for that is 30 iron. That makes tons of sense. You certainly need iron reinforced storage for your dirt. Does that somehow make sense? Right, he won't connect. It's fine. So that'll be 33. Oh. That's not good. Don't do that. It'll crash. Refresh? What do they do? Silly. Stone is definitely struggling a little bit, which isn't great. It's not a lot of juice happening. So I think for my current train arrangement, it's not terrible. Maybe. How much do you do? Is it also 2? It is. Ick. Um, Blippies. Collector is there. Or do I just make right? Need to not. Give me that. And that. Simply because I don't have any idea. This is like more efficient or not. Or less efficient. No? I mean, it's not ever getting back to full, so it's probably not the worst idea. I do kind of hate the fact that it's 17 though. It's so expensive. So at this point, it's 12 loops that upgrade you. Or, well, no, well, yeah, because it gets you 2. So 2 loops per juice would be 12. Something like that. but if it gets cranked. And yes, I'm ignoring the other things. But why is iron under wood and stones over there? That's weird. Then how many loops would it take? You could definitely math it out to, this is the optimum number you want it to sit at. Figure like, I don't know, 20? There's another 17 upgrades. Oh, I don't know, but that can just keep on trucking in the background. Got 33U. So probably afford you now. Can't afford to store you, but oh, sorry. So it would be there. And you can't actually get at it, huh? Oh. Switch. That. And then like that. So then that loop is technically functional. Are these the? Can you change to grandparents? Where is Steam at Caboose default reverse. Okay, so you're red. 80, 84. Do you get more expensive? You got more expensive. which I guess makes sense. But it's real rude. Let's drop you. Stone. Oh. Well. Oh, because you're feeding iron, right? Sense. And you and the stone sails, which are no longer functional. Not actually keeping up with the iron production needs. Huh. It's just not getting enough stone to feed that. Interesting. I feel like I don't know where that thought was trying to go. I feel like some kind of way. Yeah, some kind of way. Right, because the iron's eating it all. Go zoom. Go zoom. No. Excuse you. Did not click that. So this sort of menu is the one you don't want to allow pass through on. You want to make sure that you don't do that. That's not good. It's not good. Right. And how much? What, like 40 now? Also, I should probably add multiple wood cellars, so that will help with things. September. Still too long. Still too long? Still too something. Or, I guess, do I just... Yeah, that'll work. I can't leave stone at 13 though. It's terrible. Now they're all at 15. And there's even enough of everything to do you. I want you to black. No, that doesn't make sense. Right. Color is. No, you. No, wait. So that one needs to be straight. This one, yeah. Alright, there it went. I'm just silly. And then I presume it's full of sand. Or dirt. Which is irrelevant. We get another 30 iron. It's a little bit silly. You're still doing fine? Yeah, you're still doing fine. Guess you. That way it should only wind up going on this track half the time. Except that one was used. So it's not the train that is this color will go this way. It's a right. That makes sense. I understand. So when the train passes it, it will toggle it for other trains too. Which is fine. How did it stuff get up to 47? wonder if this maxes out at some point. Oh no, it's because it's not doing iron anymore. That's why it's like that. And use. So, oh yeah, I guess the upgrade juice, if the trains are running the way they are, is actually enough to. Oh no, it's because it's because it's out of stone. That thing just cannot get enough stone. Which would be stone transport. Or just, that was not intentional. That's why I don't like that being on right click. Like that. You. Diagonal for now. Dirt's now 10 out of 10. You're supposed to stick on the dirt. Oh, you need 30. Dirt storage is so expensive. And like at this point, it would actually be significantly more cost effective to just boost those to 15 or whatever. Not that there's currently a train going that way, but so you can't have it be 1 for 1, huh? Or is it? So random for black, but then like straight for red, or diagonal for red. So then will you be straight or yeah? I wish that were more complex. Just because I'd much rather have that train be 50-50. But I won't let me do that. I suppose this isn't a super advanced game or anything. But that's a good thing to have, this ability to control what's actually happening. Vector storage, which is you. So it wouldn't be you, actually, it would be concrete fabricador. Which I presume is dirt and stone. Which is actually really obnoxious. Oh, no. That's not how you fucking make concrete. Did the dev look into like how you do stuff at all? Concrete is not dirt and iron. That makes no sense. No sense. It's nonsense. It is just nonsense. And then the trains don't. So since those tracks connect, I presume it'll be able to pull from that. But then or well no, I guess the iron can be on that side. Set. And it would have to be like that. It's no you. You. Nope. Diagonal. You. But then you cannot be there. Oh, no, that actually just doesn't work at all, does it? I want you to go like that. So go like that. Go around. and having you go all the way down is kind of silly, but it's fine. Ah, right, of course. Right. uh, I killed it. um, that's really funny. Um, so yeah, devs, if you get into a situation where where your trains are technically kind of both valid points, it 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 does not like that. It really does not like that, which is funny. Oh, yep, there you go. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. I'll have to remember to clip that because it's funny. Hopefully, it did not save that long ago. That seemed like it was a bit ago. Excuse? Why? Okay, there we go. You're there, you're there. Whoa. These are all in different spots now. Why did you do that, Dev? Why? Why? Um. Oh. Elevated collector storage. Oh, well, that's helpful. Short. Who are you? Oh. Well, that's interesting. So you should be paused. Pause. Yes. I mean, I guess it's fine if you crash. I've run out of wood. Very disappointing. Will this work? Or will it just break stuff? So that won't work. Can I do... Ah, that's so close. do that one. I do that, theoretically. That was curvied. Small. Long. And then you. Still so close. So far away. Surely this won't cause it to crash again. So I need you just a smidgen longer, right? Do that. Nope. Okay, what about a mini? Let me you. Please tell me that lines up with one of these. Holy shit, it does. I'm amazed. That looks so stupid. And this is absolutely a waste of space. Like, to an embarrassing degree, probably. Will it work? I wonder. How stupid will it look while it works? Oh, that actually is working. I'm amazed. Okay. Nope. Right click is not interact. Not those inventory. Go back to simple. Concrete. There's loopies. Loopies. But then it'll need concrete storage. Shoe. Here we go. Like that. I feel like the camera's gone lucky. So you want dirt, which is you. Oh, you need 20 to start. Oh. Well, that's obnoxious. There. Now, theoretically, once it goes by again, it'll start working. I do have another station. Yeah, but let's keep there. Nope, that's the wrong way. Don't do that. There you go. Hey, there is a singular concrete. Wanted you. Ooh. So I like this game so far. It's definitely a bit scrungly around the edges, though. Which, you know, it's a small indie dev team, so that's fine. I don't think it's been like public for very long. Got all the way to 20 that time. Good job. Oh yeah, because every concrete takes 5 energy. Or something. So why did it suddenly get so low? Because conking a crate is pricey, apparently. I do think having that little loop that exists just to sell stuff is probably a good idea. It'll probably, you know, be better to I don't know what I was starting to say. Ooh, I'm fading very quick. My throat's not happy. Um, I sniped you. Of course, once it's at the then concrete, it won't be so much. What was that? Well, that don't work. That also does not work. So what is the optimum route to get up there? That's not what you're supposed to do first, is it? Yeah. I do not want to fuck with that, so I'm not gonna. Go there. I mean, sending one from that far away is just kind of silly. So do you? Curly? Ooh. Why did it decide to start? Because it sets to random or something on start, doesn't it? It's very, very silly. Okay. Why? No. No. I like that. Not random. Go straight. Okay. You? That absolutely shouldn't work, but yes. The next station's 80 iron and 40 dirt. Jeez. So pricey. Okay. And then there's, what, another dirt? No, it's a rock. Do I make a setup up here that's just to sell rock? I have like 2 energy sales loop and then um, like main loop that actually does stuff. It's probably a terrible idea, but you are here. And I need to remember the fact I've got an extra one so I don't accidentally buy another one. Um, did I... Wait. Storage by seller. I done gone and confused myself. There'll be a station up in there. That's a shame. But it can be a U, right? Not really. There you go. So it can wind up over there, and then it can just live in that loop forever. Um, yeah, sure. Alright, then on this one, go. There you go. Yep, it does clip through the train, which is good. Collects you, Tall Bridge. Oh, that's problems. Oh, and they died. You straight. Because, like, realistically, I'm not gonna want them to go this far out of the way for some stone, right? That makes no sense. It is also really a shame there's not like a quick clear or tracks, or like a drag and select. You like that. Then kind of wanted you to be going the other way, but what happens when you get there on this loop? Nope, same way. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay. So basically, I now just ignore that corner forever. Oh. Oh. Wait. There's just a fucking invisible wall for the camera. That's really jarring. Not what I wanted. Alright, so that's not actually a place. Okie. But over here is because there's stuff. Oh. Then there's a big bridge. Oh, and then that's how you get up to there. Okay. I understand. So there's a tree. Is there stuff this way? Dirt. You're coal. I believe you're the only coal I've seen. Is there actually stuff over here? It doesn't look like it. I assume that's another wall. Yep. Okay. More solar. Let's do that. That's doing some interesting smooshy smooshy. So the coal that's there is the only one on the map, I believe. Ooh. Oh no, you're dirt. So there is a dirt there. I really also wish you could like set things up beforehand, just so you can see how they work. There's not like information on anything, which isn't great. but it's down to every loop. We'll get another thing. That's good. Thank you. Diagonal. Long curve. Straights. So there is a dirt cellar. There's a difference down there. I don't think I care. Yes, it wouldn't be the... Not what I actually meant to do. Click use. Guess it wouldn't be the dumbest thing to set it up so that you can access that. Probably, theoretically. Okay, then how horribly expensive are the bridges? Tall bridge, 15 concrete. That's a shame. Long, tall water bridge. If you can't actually get over there, I'm gonna be sad. Unless it's like you're supposed to tunnel. Oh, you need steel for that, which means you need coal. So if the bridge doesn't work, there's no way to do that on this map without then going to the other map. Which would be a really obnoxious way to set it up. So I hope they didn't do that. Okay, so you concrete. Okay. What? It's Small station, 120 stone, 80 iron. Could do that on stone, could not do that on iron. So with 2, I'd need to get it up to 40. So that's... I really wish you could put shit on curves. That'd be real helpful. But I mean, I guess I'd have to just migrate everything over, which is only super lame. I wonder if they actually worked out like this is the most optimum loop you can do. Probably did. Because trains don't carry the iron or the concrete. Can't double stack them. I'm not even gonna try that. Go back to there. What was it? I was out of the bridge, right? Well, I'll be able to find out once that's done. I can just make you go faster. There's also an option. Why are you not going? Dirt. Okay, you did go. It's not transporting enough dirt. That's fine. Okay. Surely you will work. Oh, you need a fucking ramps. Really? Will you work with the small ramp? Please. Okay, that does work. Except then again, I require more concrete. With this one, dirt transport. Oh, and I can't even set shit up because it's right. Right. Go. Nope. Okay. Then. Nope. The one. Also can't hold and drag to play stuff like this, which is kind of aggravating. Okay. Coal collection is 60 dirt and 60 iron. Just gonna take a minute. This is all gonna take a whole lot of shit. Huh. So I have to let resources build, which is why this is an idler, but I want to do things. Oh! And then it's maxed. Can't do more than 10, or less than 10, I guess. But I wanted to get it down to 1. It's very rude that it won't let me. Can't believe it. They'd treat me like this. Yep, you're still working just fine. Okay. Heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps of you. So what are you? You're wood. There's not actually anything in there, it just looks weird. Okay, I need to view and wait for it to get back up to 15. Collect the golden caboose. Working on it. Right. So then it'll be medium ramp. Complete bridge. Where do you get that one? Not over here. Like, that's obviously a big ramp. And you're stone and tree auto collector. Those are pricey. Have I seen that in Space Stone, or have I not seen that? Either is entirely possible. Probably. Oh. Well, that's interesting. How the hell do you get up here? The humongous, or the large, I guess. It'd be really annoying if you had to swap back and forth. Unless you can keep the save and then just revisit it with new unlocks, then that wouldn't be that bad, I guess. But yeah, that must be what you have to do. Because you definitely can't use that bridge to get over that. So. Okie pokey dokies. you. Get you up some more. The transport. Yeah, once 200. I could just also, put down more. Um, yeah, trying to do a full clear down to redo stuff would be wind up annoying. Yep, that's some good English. Is the dirt sell there also too? Probably. Okay. Bridge. This away. Ramp medium. Another 5. Wonder what the golden caboose does. Or if it's just shiny. Yeah, that's medium, not a small. Right. Yeah. Sad. Everything's running though, which is good. You're struggling a little bit, huh? It's 2 more till you're maxed. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. What? Wow. So that stone. Is that dirt? And there's coal. So outside of the onboarding objectives, don't know what you actually need them for. You need more storage of everything though, huh? Okay, what did we find? Which is all we needed? Blam. Burpees, burpees, burpees. Okay. Now I just need to send this train to its doom. Look at it go. Or, oh, wow. Oopsies. Oh, whoopsies. So, it unfortunately is getting sent to its doom multiple times. golden caboose to one of your trains. Assign it by clicking on a train station, clicking the Add Caboose button. It will double the amount of energy earned when it fills a cellar. And collect a golden caboose from each scenario. Each golden caboose can be used in every scenario. If you have collected 2 of them, you can use 2 of them in each scenario. Aren't there 3 scenarios now? Gotta update your shit, man. Unlocked a new scenario. You can access it from the main menu. Blam. Ramp large. Okay. Then let's set you back to you. And we can click on you, and we can give you a golden caboose. So my voice cracks. Blam 4-4. Nice, 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 nice. How horribly expensive is the big one? 10. That's not that bad. Switchy. They're switchy. That's not gonna work. Let's make it go straight. Up the big ramp and then into this. Okay. That'll be good. Concrete's expensive, eh? You're out of stone. And you're out of dirt. Go. Mostly stone, though. Okay. Then, how much was the thing? 10. Go. That is a big boy. That probably counts, right? That'll just break things. Okay. Straight, you go straight, you go straight. Oopity. Get. And then you die. All of that work for half a second of gratification. Okay. So you're like that big. Well, no, I can't get over the wet. So there's no point. Then auto collectors. There's no information on such a thing. Cannot store 250 wood. Yep. There you are. Oh, because I spent it, that's why I disappeared. I was real confused. I still have a wood deposit. Oh, that's what you do. Well, isn't that fun? So that way you can always afford to buy stuff, huh? I gotcha. I gotcha. It's not the fastest of things, but that's hardly a problem. And the stone is also 250, which is gonna be a problem. It also really annoys me that the storage numbers don't line up. Nope. Auto. Oop. Currently, that one's not really gonna do much of anything. Though I don't think it has to be next to a train necessarily. Just have to get some track over to it, right? try. Buy another one. Not that far. You. Put you there. Yep, there you go. That's what I like to see. Which also, incidentally, you can't just there isn't an auto dirt collector, but just for no. Okay. Oh, well, there goes my iron, because I'm very silly. But that's fine. Right, but once that gets up at 250, just gonna take a minute on account of the massive distance this thing has to go. Oh, wait, where? These are all full. I guess because it's in those ones, but it's pretty much immediately going to get spent on iron and whatnot. Right. Alright, just for a couple of rounds. Just till it fills up. Why did that not collect enough stem? Thank you. Okay, almost there. Nope, just one more loop. One more loop. Really? Wait, actually one more loop this time. Oh. No, they're just full and it's stupid. Okay. Now we can buy this. Go blind. Okay. That was Iron fabrication. Up at 250. Oh, no, I shouldn't do that one. I should do the one that actually is empty. Oh, come on. But you gotta do me like this. That's not gonna work. You'd think I'd have gained some understanding of how to make these things work, but that's not how it goes. Need you. You. Hopefully that works. Oh, there are bridge transitions. Short tall bridge, steel bridge. Fancy. Curved bridge. There's a bunch of junk you don't get to see if you don't turn that off. Oh. Oh. I meant to click use, but oh, you're gonna treat me like this, huh? Wow. Fine. Be that way. There we go. Look at all that stone. Iron's going much faster, as you'd expect. Considering it's constantly friggin' full. Okay. So at this point, it's transport. Probably storage. The same. seller acquired what? Stuffs I has. Alright. Does it actually? Probably not, right? Yeah, it's not getting anywhere near filled up. Okay, so that works. Coal is dirt and iron. It's gonna be a minute. I don't actually care about you at all. Got plenty with the other two for now. So did you just immediately eat them, or did it just really not bring you much? 34 out of 50. Yep. Such is fine. Almost at the 50 at once. Didn't you want, like, yeah, you want 20 dirt per, which is a yikes. And it wants 60. Oh, yeah. There isn't anything holding you up other than yourself, huh? I guess the energy costs, but And I mean, technically the train has no use for any of that section anymore, does it? I need you. You. And I need you. Do that. And technically, this could be shortened like that. Get a much tighter loop. I don't think it matters so much right now, though. Alright. Back to buying. We're already on buying things. Coal. Pay and use. That is a coal deposit. You're just being rude. Coal goes there. Storage goes there. And then oh, well, wait. Oh, do you have a separate one or do you go on stone? It must just go on stone, which is actually really annoying. Oh. Is at this point, how could it not? 80 iron. Right, I did just spend a bunch. You don't need iron to make iron, surely. Concrete, steel. I have the concrete. Are you functional? No, because the storage is full. Your own iron storage. Apparently. Which is fine, I guess. Back up here. All station. Shut up. Loopy. Loopy. Is that a bloopy? Okay. Surely that'll be fine, right? Um, okay. Then because this shit is a whole lot easier to get than iron. Okay. Oh, you need 90 coal. That was not what I wanted. You're what I wanted. Really? Come on. Okay. That's that one. Steel doesn't need limestone. So, do you? And I guess that's another thing. You have to have iron and the steel right next to each other. It's not gonna, tell me anything. Steel storage. You want 30 concrete for your steel storage. That's so sad. Oh, the limestone stuff needs steel, so steel is before limestone apparently. There's also not a steel cellar. It's interesting. Excuse you. So you need... No, that's limestone. Okay, so work up to 90 iron. Are you... Yeah. You can... like that. Steel fabricator. There. Steel storage. My brain is ceasing to function. Too much strain. Then it needs an iron one. Iron storage. Hopefully it will not need to be this long, but just in case. Oh, well that's good. That saves me effort. Alright, you're like that. Over here. You need 20 concrete. 90 iron. Boy. Are you storage? Yes. Iron storage. Okay, well where the fuck is one of those? Like, that's not you. Why did things look weird just then? It's not you. It's not you. You're obviously stone. I realize this is an early access game. Ah, wait. You're not that asshole-ish, are you? You might be. No, there's not. Oh, limestone. I do not see any limestone. um, which is problematic. Like, why would you make multiple maps if your first map doesn't even fucking work? Like, I'm not blind, right? Like, you're dirt. Yeah. You're dirt. You're stone. Stone. You're stone. You're dirt. And then there's not anything else. Um, so am I a dum-dum? Or does it just straight up not exist? I'm leaning a lot more towards it just straight up does not exist. Which is really fucking stupid. Like, you fucked up, devs. You fucked up. Which is a shame. Because, like, for the most part, outside of the music being repetitive as fuck, I actually mostly quite like this game. It's a cute little thing that I can see building cool shit with, like, once it's a bit more user-friendly. But, like, that's a pretty big... Like, how do you fuck that up? You have shit that you can only get to with, like, extra resources. So, like, what went wrong? Like, were you fucking around in your editor and, like, you accidentally deleted it and then shipped the game anyways? Like, what? And, like, this is an early access, like, beta test thing that... But, like, really? Yeah, because that is only stone. Right? Well, there's not a whole lot I can do about that, I don't think. So I guess since I am tired and hungry and my throat hurts and this is failing, I'm gonna call things. Uh, So, if you watched live at any point, thank you. I appreciate it. If you watched the VOD at any point, thank you. I appreciate it. Either way, I hope you enjoyed your stay. I hope you come back. I hope you play this demo. It's neat. It's a cute little thing. I hope the devs unfuck the demo and make it, actually finishable, or at least not blockaded. But most importantly of all, I hope you have a lovely day, or night, or whatever. And so, for now, I say thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.